Hey guys, it's Desiree from WTI, and I have these pillow covers that I absolutely love because I was able to change up the way my living room looked just with the simple pillow cover. That's all it took. So I was looking to have a little bit of a farmhouse look now in my living room. So I thought, why not change up some of the pillows? And that's exactly what we did. This pillow cover is 18 by 18. It is of a canvas material, but it feels great. Also, super easy to be able to switch out those pillows that you may have. It has a zipper that's right here. You almost can't even see it. And all I did was stuff in this pillow that was just a plain pillow that I had and zipped it back up, and look, voila. I have this beautiful pillow now to be able to just change up the look of my living room. So if you're looking to do something super simple that is not going to cost you a whole lot, change up your pillows with these beautiful pillow covers. And I think that you will love the way it just changes the look of it all. But that's just my point of view.